talking to you about the importance of good dental care for your pets. Dental care is important in pets because it's the most commonly seen oral disease that we see in dogs and cats especially. Dental disease can also cause secondary diseases, which we'll talk about a little later as well. The most common sign would be bad breath, drooling, loose teeth, teeth with a lot of discoloring on them, and sometimes teeth may actually fall out of the pet's mouth. The most common dental disease we see is something called periodontitis, which means inflammation of the gums around the tooth. The second most common would probably be gingivitis, which is inflammation of the actual gums, where you see bright red gums and they start to bleed. Yes, it definitely can. The more commonly seen secondary disease would be something called endocarditis, which is an inflammation or infection of the heart muscle. Another condition that we can tend to see after animals are constantly swallowing a lot of that bacteria from their mouths would be liver disease or chronic kidney infections. So it's very important to make sure we prevent dental disease before it gets more severe and causes some secondary illness. So the best way to take care of dental care in your dogs or cats would be to use a toothbrush specifically made for animals. There's some that fit on your finger and are able to be used just that way, depending on if your pet's tolerant for that. Ideally, for your toothpaste option, you don't want to use human toothpaste because a lot of them will cause fluoride toxicity. So you want to use an enzymatic, pet-friendly toothpaste. The enzymes in this toothpaste actually break down the films that start forming on the teeth, further causing that bacteria to build up and tartar growth as well. So enzymatic toothpaste, toothbrushes, dental treats, those are some of our best options to support dental care. So when we drop your pets off for their dental, we assess them, we do our physical exams, and then we prepare them for anesthesia. Once we get them under general anesthesia and they're completely sleeping, we're able to do dental x-rays to evaluate the gum line and below to look for abscesses, broken roots, resorbing lesions, things that we usually can't see above the gum line with our naked eye. Then we determine if we need to do extractions or not, and if we do or don't, we always do scaling, cleaning, and polishing of the teeth using an ultrasonic cleaner to scrape the tartar off the teeth, and then we protect it with our polish, and then we wake them up from anesthesia. So here at Lone Mountain, we also see exotic pets, and some of them do need dental care as well, particularly ferrets. They have carnivorous teeth because they're carnivores, so they do develop a lot of dental disease throughout their lives, and we do perform dentals very similarly to how we do them for dogs and cats for ferrets. Another more commonly seen species would be rabbits. They tend to have teeth that sometimes get maloccluded, meaning misaligned in their mouths, and it can cause secondary gastrointestinal diseases. So we do float their teeth and shave them basically down so that they're flat and aligned so that they can have healthy dental care. So overall, I do recommend annual dental cleanings for your dogs and cats and your ferrets, your rabbits, your guinea pigs, your chinchillas. We want to make sure that once we're at home doing the right care, we're still making sure we get more intense evaluations of the mouth each year to make sure everything's still looking good.